Pingdingshan Oriental Carbon Company Limited is located in Pingdingshan City Industrial Zone. Company were founded in 2006 with registered capital 87 million RMB. We're national level, leading high-tech corporation integrated with graphite R&D, production, and overseas trading. And also one OTC market listed enterprise in Pingdingshan. Stock code is 832175. Company pass ISO 9001 Quality Management System. At same time, we have our own strict and uniform quality control system to provide clients with stable and superior quality. By far, our products have covered a whole range of domestic market and delivered to countries including Germany, America, Japan, South Korea, India, Ukraine, Turkey, Egypt, and Vietnam. We attach high importance to technological innovation. Has built a joint laboratory of carbon materials with Shanghai Jiao Tong University, Hunan University, established Henan Provincial Enterprise Technology Center. Company has declared 52 national patents by far. Company has won the honors of Pingdingshan High-Tech Corporation, Clean Production Corporation, AAA Grade Quality Management Standardization Enterprise, National High-Tech Corporation. Oriental Carbon always adhere to the concept of science and technology to innovate development, survival by quality. We are dedicated to offer customers with fully service and strict quality.